You are welcome to Online Hustle Pays. Here we provide valid information about various investment options that can make you cool money among other topics of interest. Kindly subscribe, like and hit the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. In my last video I showed us how to place bets successfully on the TMG-BALL app. TMG-BALL is a football reverse betting platform that allows you to make money off football matches through betting. The app is connected to real live football feeds, so the bets are placed in real time. There are seasoned mentors who give accurate predictions of games you are to play for maximum profits. Predictions made are usually accurate, and if the predictions don't happen as expected, you need not worry. Your capital is preserved and returned. Awesome, isn't it? Now, let me show you how you can make as much as $2,700 playing football bet on TMG-BALL. If you want to hop into this venture, you can use the link below this video to sign up, fund your account with at least $30 USDT or more, and contact me directly on WhatsApp for guidance. These are proofs of withdrawals made recently on TMG. Of course, to earn big requires that you invest a certain amount of money. So, how do you earn a considerable amount of cash? 1. Ensure you play 98% to 100% of the game's predictions. There are usually 9 games for each day. 2. To achieve step 1, divide your money evenly into 2 or 3 parts. Play 1 part for each game. This is to ensure you have some funds left to play the next game before profits are distributed. 3. Do not miss playing the VIP as game predictions because it gives higher returns. 4. If you become an agent, then you have even greater opportunities to earn much higher, as there are exclusive games for agents that gives as high as 30% returns on games played. If you follow all of these steps mentioned, you are surely going to be breaking the bank very soon, just like these ones you see here. So, if making hundreds or thousands of dollars is what you would like, then TMG-BALL got your back. You can use the registration link below this video. Fund your account and start making cool money just like me.